Hey folks, this video is going to teach you how to make lakes and other water features in terrain in Roblox Studio. So go to your view menu, open up the terrain editor, and we'll go to edit, and there's something called sea level. So there's a blue box that appears, which you're going to use to define where the sea will be, where the ocean and the water will be. I like to put it just a little bit below the surface of the ground, and you can see there's some lakes that have formed already. And then I think we need to say create, and yeah, we got some good water features over there. And so I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to go to subtract, and we'll subtract a ball that's like 6 diameter. See what happens here. Not quite enough to get through to the water. Let's try 17. Yeah, there we go. That's adding some water. Although I'm a little bit confused because, oh, I must have this set so that it says ignore water. So that would mean that, let's turn off ignore water and see what happens, because it's I'm eroding, I'm deleting the water, I think. Yeah, I can see the base plate there. So what am I misunderstanding here? So what if we turn off ignore water? Still. Okay, I think it's just kind of a bug or something. So go back to sea level and let's create the water again. And it's going to flood all those areas. And actually we missed a little bit over here, so let's expand this region. We can even expand it out here, and the water will be, you'll see, just be a big block of water in outer space. So yeah, that's how you create water. You can go to terrain and change your watercolor to something really unique, like, I don't know, yellow, pink, whatever you want. And now let's press play. We'll go test it out. Oh, and by the way, please subscribe. I'm trying to get, if I get 1,000 subs, I can monetize my channel, which means that I would get paid. Probably not a lot, but a little bit. All right, let's go for a swim. Yeah, there we go. Like pink lemonade. I love swimming. So there you have it. If there's a feature you want to learn about, just let me know in the comments, and I will, maybe I will make a video about it. Bye-bye.